always love getting behind the wheel of a Volvo V50. These feel really quite nice and very comfortable. Brilliant to drive with its 1.6 diesel engine, and it's probably one of the most economical cars that Volvo make. Now, this one comes from 2009. It's got about 41,500 on the clock, so not a lot to worry about there. Looking great in metallic black, and this has a nice set of alloys as well. As I say, these cabins are comfortable. You've got lovely cloth seats here. Everything's close at hand. CD, climate control. Insurance Group 9, by the way. Your running costs going to be keen on a nice long run. You're looking mid-70s MPG. Now, if you like the look of this car and thinking, wouldn't mind a test drive, no problem. Why not ring and reserve? We can hold this car for you for up to 48 hours until you can get here. No deposit, no obligation, and test drive and discover this great car for yourself at Fords of Winsford.